Hey there YouTube, Lucas here, just doing a quick video of my latest wheel swap. Know it sounds silly, but I like buses, so I thought, why not do a wheel swap with the bus? And as I always say, there's nothing better than a red line. I don't know if you can see it very well. Let me get some better lighting here. We got some red line tires. I pulled these off an old Boulevard I had. Rides well. But in my opinion, don't matter what it is, red line real riders make anything pop. Tell me what you think. Oh, sorry about that. Let me back it up. There we go. That is sweet. Alright guys, tell me what you think, leave comments. It is a bus, it's not something most people usually do wheel swaps and try to trick out, but I like those buses. Alright guys, thanks a lot.